Ready?
Okay.
Matangkad o sakto lang?
Sakto lang.
Kuripot o galan?
Galante.
Sino ang last mong ka-text before this interview?
Before this event, my mom.
Ha? O dali.
Guwapo or macho?
Wapo.
Huwag na tong tanong na to, pero anyway, kanino ka huling kinilig?
Joke, alam niyo na.
Sino ang pinakagwapong artista na hindi kapuso?
Jericho Rosales. Jericho Rosales.
Text o tawa?
Text or tawag? Tawag.
Hug or kiss?
Hug.
Library or movie house?
Ano?
Library or movie house?
Sorry, ano yung first? Sorry.
Library or movie house?
Movie house.
Adobo or sinigang?
Sinigang.
Beach or garden?
Beach.
If you will be given a chance to exchange life with someone for a day, kaninong life to?
I think the life of my favorite author, si Judith McNaught.
Bakit? Sorry.
Well, I just wanna know kung ano yung tumatakbo sa utak niya, how she's able to write all of these love stories. Kung maganda ba yung love life.
Date a superhero, Thor or Captain America?
Four.
Sexiest billboard you've seen, except yours.
Sexiest billboard I've seen. Shucks, wait lang. Sino ba? Bakit wala akong naisip? Basta bench billboards eh, bench body billboards.
Steamiest love scene you've watched?
Original sin.
Antonio and Angie.
Yes.
Lips or tongue? Any perspective, lips or tongue?
Lips with that.
Silent or noisy?
Silent.
Standing or sitting?
Standing.
Bathroom or bedroom?
Bedroom.
Shave or trim? Ano ba to?
Shave.
Saan galing naman?
Final, if you tweet something right now, what would it be?
What would it be? I was asked weird questions right now.
Yan ang iti-tweet mo? Thank you for being here.